In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. Whether you're experiencing technical difficulties or simply want to start fresh, resetting your PC can be a great solution. We'll take you through the steps efficiently, so you can get back to using your computer with a clean slate. First, start by opening the Start menu. You can do this by either clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. The Start menu is your gateway to the various apps and settings on your device. Once it's open, look for the Settings app. This is where we'll be able to initiate the reset process. Click on the Settings icon, which typically resembles a gear. The Settings app is your main hub for configuring Windows to meet your preferences, and it's essential for the reset process. Now that you're in the Settings window, you'll want to navigate to the System settings. You should see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Find System and click on it. This section deals with all the major configurations related to your system's performance and functionality. In these settings, we can find the option to reset. Once you're in the System settings, look for the Recovery option. Clicking this will lead you to the tools you need to reset your PC to its factory settings. Under the Recovery panel, you will see a section titled Reset this PC. This feature allows you to refresh your system, and it's here where you'll choose the reset method that suits you best. Click on the Reset PC button, and a new window will pop up, offering you two primary options. You can choose to either keep your personal files or remove everything. Keeping your files will preserve your documents and personal data, while removing everything will erase almost all of your files, giving you the cleanest slate possible. Decide which option fits your needs. Remember, removing everything is more thorough, but make sure to back up necessary files if you choose this route. After selecting your choice, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Windows will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the reset. It might take a little time, depending on your option, as Windows reconfigures itself to factory settings. During this time, the system will reboot a few times, so make sure your device is plugged in to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it, a fresh Windows 11 setup ready for you to customize. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech tutorials.